30,195 crore Goa budget presented by the Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant focuses on creating a Vikshit Bharat, a Vikshit Goa, and a strong emphasis on infrastructure, skill development, and social welfare. The budget projects a revenue surplus of 1,666 crores, heavily focusing on infrastructure and technology-driven governance. The CM stated that the state government expects an assistance from the center to of more than 1,357 crores from the central government on various schemes, and an additional 1,600 special assistance from the Government of India. The Chief Minister revealed that 2025-26 has received funds of 2,000, almost 78 crores as special assistance, which is the highest received. The fiscal deficit is projected at almost 3,895 crores. The fiscal expenditure for 26-27 is 3% more to a 29,200 crore budget allocations for the year ending 2025-26. In the first year, the government expects a revenue of 28,000 crores to a non-tax revenue. The projects taken infrastructure are boost to public works, almost more than 100 crores, 3,000 crores expected from MORTH, that is for road development. The government has paid special scheme has put in focus for special skill and employment to almost 110 crores for initiatives like hub and spoke. And we have a drone pilot centers and 100% fee waivers for women in ITIs. The support for the industry on the single window systems and ease of doing business, more than 100 crores for for MSMEs. Green investment support to industries, to working women's hostels. Social welfare, a lot of DDSY schemes for health, new initiatives, health, new specifics for health, primary health education. Speaker Sir, tourism and tourism development, the planned development of Mopa city, whereas 5 crore almost international artist concerts allotments. Speaker Sir, talking about the agriculture sector, commendable announcements have been made for projects like Goa Keju Board, watershed projects, community farming, lot of things, lot of partnerships in Keju Cocoa Development Boards with Kochi under primary Pradhan Mantri Krishi Yojana, watershed projects to almost 84,476 hectares will be implemented in these 5 years. Contract farming, community farming have been provided additional support. A lot of work has been done, a Krishi portal for streamlining access to schemes and subsidies. Speaker Sir, at the same time, I would like to also bring about the drawbacks. The high debt, the public debt is almost coming to 30,932 crores by March 31st, 2026. There has to be a stress and there has to be a working on this. Unemployment concerns are there which have to be addressed. Wasteful expenditures have been brought out which have been criticized. That also has to be a check and balance has to be made. Because we're talking about the budget and now talking about what has been done. I had spoken, I janna ulela kiya hu. These 5 years I would concentrate मुझे constituency work as far as the constituency work is concerned. So I focus kela and focus on electricity. I am grateful to the Chief Minister, whereas the electricity minister to the electricity department, Minister for Power for electric works in my constituency. आज आख्खे आमगेले underground cabling जाला, आमगेले जायते काम जाला, आणि इतले system जाले की मागचा first time after more than 40 years, 30-40 years आमगेले आख्खे wiring change जाला, underground complete जाला. Underground आमकां जायते त्रास जाले as far as place मेळपाक transformers are. I am grateful to the people who have helped us. जाय जाणांनी without any कांय हें कोन्न नासतना, कांय त्रास कोन्न नासतना आपणाक जमीन पासून दिली. आज जमीन म्हळ्यार इतलीच कास जाल्या आनी विलेजीन बसून इतले लोक आमकां इतले हें जाता, हॅरेसमेंट जाता, हिंग घालपाक, थिंग घालपाक, हिंग घालनाका, थिंग घालना, पण लोकांक जाय जाणांक हेल्प केला. Because sir, water supply जी उलयता आसतना water supply also we are taking up replacement of pipes. Water pipelines बऱ्यो old जाले. more than 40, 50 years old. Itli zalay ki tenka ek layer of moss yelo hat. Some of them are poilim pipa, asbestos pipa. This is the situation what has happened. So I'm grateful that I'm getting almost 10 come process at the water supply minister and I would request him to tender gun jati to fast cut park. Road side उलयता आसतना जायते roads आमचे जाले. We are taking up lot of work, but still अजून देखून अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंगाचे रेस्टोरेशन्स थोडे उरले तेय कोण दिचे. आमगेले प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आमगेलो जायत तेंपान बरो जाला. काम ऑलमोस्ट सेकंड फ्लोराचेर पावला. हांव अपडेट घेयता हांव कंटिन्युअसली फॉलो अप करता आनी इतले काम हें जालां बट ऑल्दो एक्सपेक्टेशन प्रमाणे जालें ना म्हणजे इन द सेन्स दॅट टायम लायन्स मातशे स्लो आहाय बिकॉज ऑफ लेबर प्रॉब्लम्स आनी कितें बट तितू आमकां डायलिसीस सेंटर जावं आमकां ओटी एक दाखलोसो जायो जावं ज्यो वस्तू जायो टू मेक इट मोर प्रॅक्टिकल फॉर पीपल लोकांक सुविधा मेळपाक कितें इजी जाय डॉक्टर जाय आनी कितें जाय तितून नेक्स्ट भागांनी आतां फर्स्ट फेज जालो आहा तितून सेकंड फेजीक आमचें उरलां काम बिकॉज पुलीस स्टेशन आमचें घेतलां आय एम वेरी वर्क ऑफ द पुलीस स्टेशन वचून काम चालू आहा ऑल्दो वेरी स्लो मागोता की हेंय काम सारकें आमगेलें अप टू डेट कोन्न मातशें फायनान्सीस रेडी ताका बरो प्रोजेक्ट आमकां थिंग दिवचो. स्पीकर सर टॉकिंग अबाउट एग्रीकल्चराचे फोकस आहा आमगेलो इतले वर्सां एग्रीकल्चर फोकस केला एग्रीकल्चरान थोडे वस्तू आय विल स्पीक ऑन द डिमांड्स बट ओवरऑल म्हाका सदां आनी देखून सपोर्ट प्रायसीस आनी देखून सपोर्ट प्रायस फॉर पॅडी जावं सपोर्ट प्रायस फॉर एग्रीकल्चर हांव कंटिन्युअसली फॉलो अप करिता विथ एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट ऑन सपोर्ट प्रायसीस फॉर वेजिटेबल्स त्यो दे आर नॉट सफिशियंट आमी जर तर गोंयकारांक प्रमोट कोतले आनी गोंयकारांक जर तर हाडले जाल्यार प्रॉफिटेबल करपाक आमकां हें करपा पडटा. स्पीकर सर टॉकिंग अबाउट WRDचेर आमगेलें काम जालां ऑल्दो आवर्स इज एग्रीकल्चर बेस्ड सॉयल कन्जर्वेशन एंड सॉयल कन्जर्वेशन हेजे पासून हांव सदां असेंब्लींत उलयतां जे मनीस एग्रीकल्चर करताय शेत रोयताय तांकां WRDन जावं सॉयल कन्जर्वेशन चड काम करपा जाय जे शेत रोयताय तांकां भोंवन जायना जशाक शेत रोयताय तांकां सांबाळपाक सो मुगे रिक्वेस्ट आहा की आमकां अलॉटमेंट आनी देखून कोन्न दिवपाक आमचे एग्रीकल्चर नॉट ओन्ली माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी न्ही बट जे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन शेत रोयताय तांकां सो म्हाकाय चड जायच म्हाका कितल्यान दिलें म्हणून पावना बट कित्याकू आमगे शेतकार खरें रोयताय आनी आमी सांबाळना जे इतले बागाचे पावलोलें आमगेले कुडतोरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन ऑलमोस्ट 40%चे पावलोलें ते आमी ऑलमोस्ट 85%चे हाडलां कल्टिवेशन इतली इन्क्रीज जालां की आय डोंट थिंक आमकां अशें करून कोणें कॉम्पीट करपा जाता इतले शेतकारांगेली इतली उमेद वाडल्या बिकॉज सर टॉकिंग अबाउट वेटनरी हॉस्पिटलाचेर म्हाका दिसता गूड हॉस्पिटल बांदलां बट थोडी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर ना हांव कंटिन्युअसली फॉलो अप करीत आहा वी एक्सपेक्ट मोर फोकस फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट थिंगा ते आनी सुविधा दिवपाक जायत इश्यूज आहाय थिंगा जर लोकांगे कंप्लेन्स आहाय मेडिसीन पावना आनी कितें पावना हांव फॉलो अप करीत आहा कोण म्हणटात सुण्यागे जायत इश्यू आहाय असेंब्लींत उल्लेख जाला सुणी घास मारतात आनी सुण्या करता हांवें एक बरो प्रपोजल दिला आय गिवन अ प्रपोजल हे जे हें करतात स्टेरिलायझेशन करपाक we'll get doctors from the veterinary hospital, bring them, we'll keep them stay and sterilization korea zatitule from the veterinary colleges. Side amge veterinary colleges hai tengi adpak kityaku huin tori amka sterilization there are a lot of backlog booking korum jotta tenka appointment घेवपा पडटा all those issues will be tackled. Speaker sir, there are a lot of issues on the TCP also. TCPs I will speak about it. जायते आमकां people have the idea that construction म्हणटा चड जावपा जायना गांव हेच भशेन जावपा जाय की ground plus 2 structures ground plus 2 structures जावपा जायो तेन्ना रिजनल प्लॅनांत आमी 60% केलोलो FAR तो थोडे म्हणटाय 60% जायो आमगे वी हॅव टू टेक अ क्रॉस एंड बॅलन्स आय हॅव आमगे आमची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन वी हॅव नो प्रॉब्लम आमकां 60% दी आनी 50% दी वी हॅव नो प्रॉब्लम इट शूड बी दॅट we should take the people into confidence. Speaker sir, electricity bills are an issue. I would request the government to look after the issue because it is a very sensitive issue. Common man, barik lokak, saman munshak tras hota. Speaker sir, rates of vegetable support prices je ulay raw. Putun aulle ko tang yani dis punta. Diga there are issues. Expenditures. Ata expenditure. One thing about expenditure that fixed expenses like pension, loan, interest of loan and salaries. Sadan ullekh zatala, it should be less than 50% of the total revenue that is earned. So I think we are almost touching 50%, or rather we are below 50%, which is a good thing. Speaker sir, what is good, what is bad, you have to bring out, that is my always take. Speaker sir, law and order situation and drugs and all these issues have to be addressed. Women issues have to be addressed. There is all over the world there are different, even child trafficking and all over the world. Is the Goa government looking after, is the Goa law and order or other home department looking after these things, whether they are happening in Goa? Till one incident Goa highlights जायना त्यो पर्यंत आमी हे जावपा नाय. ड्रग्साचे म्हणटाले आमी कांय ड्रग्स जायना म्हण ड्रग्स खंय पावले ते आतां सिट्युएशन सगळ्यांक खबर आहा. Who knows? Right now there are no issues like child trafficking जाय, आतां तुगेले एब्सेंट फायल्स जाले आनी कितें जालें ते भाशेन हिंग गोंया कितें जात जाल्यार we have to pay attention that it doesn't happen, and whether focus is there of the law department to see that these things are not, whether these things are happening, and if they are happening, they have to be brought to be books. Because talking about NEP chair pasun jaite issue high, I would request the government to look after it because of the working hours and this and that. We have always raised this issue before. I would also like to say, and last issue, without taking any more time, I will close because almost time up, and I don't want somebody to ring the bell for me. District Hospital South Goa, focus korpa jaye. We would request the government to give more focus for district hospital. The referrals from South Goa to GMC, there is no way. Barik chil dalari kitli वर्ष झाली ते reduce जायना. Think situation ते भाशे it can be improved. Focus so तर बरी गायली मागसोता we should have this. Overall, I think the budget is good, but then what best we can do. There's always a scope for better and being the best. Because sir, with this I think I would say that a lot of my work has been done. Not that I'm happy with it, I would like more, because लोकां म्हणटे केन्ना कितें म्हूण जायना, आमकांय म्हूण जायना, आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन जावं आमगे गांवांत काम केल्लें. Thank you, Speaker.